I might be able to get it out. What's up, man? If you want some help, this guy had called, but I can come, you know, give you a hand after him if you want.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't have your guys' number, but I had 4-wheel low, traction control off.
Sometimes those full-size heavy trucks, once they break the surface of the sand, they just start to drag.
This is a Tacoma, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be back. What's up, man? What was your name?
Adrian.
Adrian, John, nice to meet you. Yeah, them heavy trucks, man.
Yeah,
oh, yeah. I'm checking my PSI real quick. Oh, yeah. It was at 40.
Why?
I think someone took it on the highway. I don't remember if it was us or not. I don't want to see her forever, but 40's crazy.
Yeah, it is.
I told you, it felt like it was just spinning them extra. I was like,
yeah, and it was.
It was pizza cutting.
That's why this thing's been having some trouble probably recently.
Yeah, 40's wild.
Yeah.
This one looks lower. This one's already at like 30.
Word. That's weird.
So random. Yeah, I'm like, we're about to pull on full-size trucks. Probably the first time anyone's ever seen me deflate my tires on the beach.
Oh, yeah.
Always do it before I come out here. See, this one looks like it's already at probably 32. The backs were real bad.
The back driver was the highest.
Yeah. All right. There you go, guys. You always ask if I air down. I just air down a little bit. Alrighty. Well, you got front hooks. That helps.
Yeah.
She's sitting on it a little bit, huh? Yeah, it's not too bad. All right, I think, honestly, in your tires, that's... Yeah, they're on street tires. I think pulling you forward's always easiest. In terms of where to take you, I'm honestly thinking if I get you up and then there's that dude sitting there right before them, if I swung you around onto the low side on that hard sand, you can get going. If you go like, I can't tell what that is, that like pink thing there, right, that chair or whatever, right before or after that, ramp up at like 10 miles an hour, like have some speed, you should be able to get back out of there. And if not, I can hook up and make sure you get to the ramp, okay? Sure. Alrighty. Oh, that's already on the bridle on this end. Make my life a little bit easier here.
Oh, yeah. You want the heavy duty ones?
Sure, why not?
Or...
Thank you. So once I get this hooked up, I'll want you in there. Are you in 4 high or low? 4 low? Okay, cool. Just keep that wheel straight with me and give me a little bit of gas when I hit it so I'm not pulling dead weight. We should be able to get it moving and get it whipped around. Honestly, I'll just take it to the ramp. We'll just take it to the ramp. That way we ain't got to worry about unhooking and you getting stuck again. So you'll just want to give me some gas, try and leave some tension on the line, but follow where I go. You want me to stop and pick you up on low side or just go?
No, I'll meet you by the Titan.
Okay, go for it. I might turn a little bit before that, like in that white patch right there. Hell yeah, man. Good stuff, of course. Yeah, that Titan got stuck just, not even, he made it further than the Titan did. So, you know.
Slow down and stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
You have a great day, all right? Make sure you rinse that thing off.
Hey,
What's up, man?
a couple of quick questions.
Yeah.
What year is this?
This one is a 2015.
What's it got? V6?
Yep, it's 4.0 V6. Last year of the second gen, first year of the TRD Pro.
Last year, I have a
Yep.
third gen.
Yeah, this is the only year that you can get the second gen Tacoma with the TRD Pro.
And what do you charge to do that?
I can be anywhere from 60 bucks to $200-300. It just depends on how hard it is for me to do. Yeah. I'm full insurance and everything, so you know, but it's fun.
Cool.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
Thanks, you too. What's up, man? What was your name?
Huh?
What was your name?
Scott.
Scott, John, nice to meet you. Alrighty.
So I'm in low right now
Okay. Let me take a look.
with the traction control off.
Yep, yep. Oh yeah. This thing's sitting lower than the Dodge was.
Yeah.
All right, so what we should be able to do, I don't like the open hooks, but as long as we keep tension on the line, it should be just fine so it doesn't slip off. I can get the harness on there, get the kinetic on there. Basically what I'd have you do is put it in gear, give me a little bit of gas. The easiest thing to probably do is gonna be to get it up, and you see like the yellow like seat and tent there? That's gonna be our most open room to turn around because I'm gonna want the same thing as him. I'm gonna wanna get you out of here.
Yeah, give me that because then I'll just go further down.
Exactly, yep, if you get on, exactly, yep. So I think if we go down past that little, whatever that yellow thing is, and get down low side, make a U-turn. Yeah, that's C, yeah, or whatever that is, yep.
Yeah.
But you see how we got open space down there?
Yeah, yeah.
I can go down there, get you turned around, and then same thing as the Ram, bring you back to the concrete.
All right. You still want me to give you tension and go in?
Yep, you want to give me a little bit to
or
help
high?
me. If low's fine. You want to give me a little bit so I'm not pulling dead weight, but you want to leave that tension on the line so it doesn't go under you or the hooks don't fall off or anything like that. We'll get it hooked up. I don't like these open hooks, but oh well.
Yeah. I mean, like, they should be good, but...
Yeah, well, and the bridle
They feel
helps because it
sketch.
keeps tension pretty even, which means one side doesn't get to slack off as bad,
Yeah.
but still less ideal than a closed tube.
You could probably fit the loops on there.
Yeah, I could, but I feel like because this is wider, it might have a better chance of hanging in there.
Word.
Oh my gosh. It plays my alarms through my Meta glasses. I was like, what the heck is that?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'll keep an eye on it. That's what matters. All right, so yeah, you'll honestly want to keep the wheel right where it's at. I'll hit straight there, like I said, in drive. Just give me a little bit so the tires are spinning and we should be able to go up. I'll kind of honk and hopefully those people clear, otherwise obviously we'll stop.
Yeah.
But I'll swing it a little bit high. You won't have to do as much of a turn as me because I got to keep tension on the line, so I'll swing it real wide and you kind of just follow as you have to, okay?
Right. The whole time I'm in low, right?
Yep, in low, in drive, and you want to be giving me some, just not riding up on me, okay? And if anything, if you need anything, honk, we'll readjust or do whatever we got to do.
Alrighty, give it some gas.
When will you learn that your actions have consequences?
Stuck now?
What? Well, I'm out, man. I'm tripping.
Stuck now?
No. He's making very little progress, though. You're making progress.
I know. I might be able to get it out. Otherwise, I can just winch him. But if I have to winch, it wouldn't hurt because I'll at least have him out of the hole.
Yeah.
I came up a little bit, didn't
Oh yeah, you did. You were moving for a second. And then it started singing again.
2 very boring minutes later.
You're not even hooked up. He's just trying to get himself out.
Has he been inspected for it?
Yeah. This truck has some issues. Our other trucks don't get stuck. It's this one. And I hate it, because this one's my favorite. It's higher up, but it's still low. We winch it. The winch in the back. We just would hook it up to the bridle. Use you as the anchor to get us out.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
The winch.
Oh, it's my truck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe like to a post just to get it out.
No, we saw some people do that the other day though when we were driving by.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah.
That was sketchy in my opinion.
Because you don't know how sturdy those are.
Exactly. Those things go away after the hurricanes. There we go. Just took some effort.
Yeah.
That looked like fun.
Equally fun as it was stressful.
Oh yeah.
Round 2.
We're gonna try it again. I have a little bit more of a straight angle, and I'm gonna let off the gas a little bit at the end so I don't, hopefully don't sink as bad. If I have to, I got the winch on the back, and we'll crank it up out of the hole. But I'm gonna give it one more shot. Why not?
All right.
Make sure you're giving it just a little bit of gas.
Finish him.
Hit it. Go ahead, hit it. Keep on going. Don't stop.
I'm gonna make a U-turn kind of through here. That was a heavy girl.
Yeah, I know. I'm not going to come back. I'll say down in Flagler.
Yeah, even Daytona is so much better.
That's where I'm going to go next.
Hell yeah.
I did the traction control. I was doing all right, going straight, but once I tried turning to the
Once
spot,
it bogged, yep. Hey, you have a great day, all right? Make sure you rinse that thing off.
I will.
There you go, guys. Got to tighten out. We're both on our way. See you.
Subscribe to Sand Hope.
There you go, baby.
Like to subscribe to Santo. They're the best.